Hi everyone, so another stereo installed, this time on a 2005 VW T5. So we've gone for the KENWOOD 9724XDS. It is the flagship stereo boasting with a very large 10-inch screen. So essentially it's a beautiful unit, very responsive. You've got a few different features. You've got CarPlay going on at the moment, but the beauty I like of this, because there's no steering wheel controls, is very easy, just to put your volume up and down. Now if I go back on home, you've got your main features, your things like your DAB, you can mirror your phone, you've got USB, you can even connect your Fire Stick to this unit. Now, the beauty of this stereo as well, you can add your reversing camera. So on this, you can see reversing camera's popped open, but at the same time as well, we've got a front camera which you've installed. So you've got the best of both worlds. You can tap off or you can use it. Very good stereo, very large, and you can adjust it going up and down to your needs.